If you want to make money in 2025, this is probably the best video for you to watch. I'm Homie Tiller, I'm the godfather of price action. Today, I'm going to teach you a simple strategy on how you can trade indices, mostly Nasdaq. So subscribe, comment. Let's get with the video. Let's go. We start by defining shift of structure. Shift of structure is simply change in market direction. So for example, your market is moving on a series of higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. If your market closes below your previous higher low or breaks your previous higher low, this market has shifted structure from a bullish movement. Now market is on a bearish movement. So if market is on a bullish, it's from series of higher high, higher high, higher high, and higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. Same thing applies on a bearish movement. So for example, your market is from a series of lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Market breaks your previous lower high. After market has broken your previous lower high, this market has shifted its structure. The market has moved from a series of lower low, lower high. Now market it's moving on a series of higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So this is shift of structure. If the market is on a bullish movement, the market must break your previous higher low to confirm the market has shifted its structure. If the market is bearish, the market must break lower high to confirm that your market has shifted its structure. So, for example, it doesn't apply series of high, 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 low, high, high, low, high, high, low. If the market doesn't break this previous high low, this market doesn't shift its structure. The market must break your previous, if it's bullish, your previous higher low. If it's bearish, your market must break your previous lower high. That's what we call shift of structure. Let's go into the chart. I'll show you some example. As you can see, this market on US 100, market moving series of high, 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 low, 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 high, 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 low. So this is our previous high low. So this market shift its structure from a bullish movement. Now the market started selling. So you see, market shift its structure from a bullish movement. Now the market started selling. Then here in this zone, still the market was moving in a series of lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. This is our previous lower high. As you can see, market broke our previous lower high. This is a confirmation that there is a shift of structure. So this market is now moving in a series of higher high and higher low. So this simply shift of structure. Shift of structure apply in any time frame, even if it's weekly time frame, daily time frame, 4 hour time frame, 1 hour, 1 minute, it's apply. But the bigger the time frame, the bigger they move in the market. So here in the 4 hour time frame, and here there's a shift of structure. So this is indicating Nasdaq there's a shift of structure from a bearish movement. Now market wants to buy. So we are expecting now a series of higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Very simple. So here's another example. You start, as you can see, you start to see this zone, you start to moving in a series of lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So this point was our previous lower high. This point was our previous lower high. As you can see, the market came and closed above our previous lower high. This is indicating the market has shifted structure from a bearish movement. Now we are heading to the top side. As you can see, the market shifted structure, closed below our previous lower high, and the market continue buying. So this is the first video I'm doing shift of structure. Next time I'll bring another content. So like, share, subscribe, and comment.